Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. I've got a rice dish for you with some explosive flavor, and it's coming up right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video. As always, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to be showing you a very special recipe. We're going to be incorporating our own achiote paste into a Mexican rice dish. Now before we get to that, make sure you're following us here by hitting that button down there so you don't miss out on any of these great recipes. Now, achiote paste is made from the annatto seed, and it is served globally in lots of different dishes to add flavor and color. Today, we're going to be adding both to this rice recipe. To get started, you're going to need either some vegetable or chicken broth. We're going to be cutting and placing a small piece of our achiote paste into this broth. Simply mash that up into the broth and give it a good stir. This will take you just a few minutes to get everything incorporated and for that paste to be fully dissolved. Then we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to prepare our rice. I am using a long grain rice for this recipe. I like to soak my rice for a few minutes and strain it. Now just get a medium saucepan ready on medium heat, and we're going to add some avocado oil to this pan. Allow the oil to come up to temperature. We're going to be adding chopped onion, and just allow those to cook for a few minutes until they begin to become translucent and soften. Then we'll be adding in our rice and diced carrot. Now we're just going to cook that for about 10 to 12 minutes until that rice is fully coated with oil and it begins to develop a nice golden brown color. Then it's time to add in the achiote broth and some vegetable juice. Give that a quick stir, then add some chopped tomato and some peas. Once again, give that a quick stir. Now you'll want to bring this to a boil. Then simply place it on low heat and cover it. Allow it to cook for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. You want to make sure all the liquid has been absorbed by the rice. Then give it a nice stir and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Then it'll be time to serve it up just like this. You can see this rice is taking on some beautiful color. This dish just looks absolutely delicious. And it's time for my favorite part of the video. Cheers, everyone. Okay, that is off the charts delicious. The achiote paste added a really robust flavor to this rice recipe, and as always, I hope you're gonna give this one a try at home. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Thank you very much. Till next time, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor, and I'll see you on the next video.